Right, today we're looking at a pen kit called the Saturn. Now, why have we called it the Saturn? Well, I'll show you the pen in a minute. It looks a bit like the Apollo Saturn space rocket. We can do things with rings on this. Saturn, as you'll know, as a planet, is one with rings. And it's a gas giant, which is what my wife calls me, but maybe you didn't want to know that. Anyway, the main thing about this kit is it has a really short tube. And when we first looked at the samples, I confess I didn't like it, because I like a longer barrel so I can do more stuff to it. However, it would appear that I'm in the minority because everyone else loved it. And it has an advantage having a small tube. If you ever have these bits of acrylic leftovers that apparently are no good to man the beast because they don't fit on a pen. Well, maybe now we've got a pen that it will fit on, because this section on here, I think off the top of my head, is 46 millimeters. So let's show you the pen. The other thing I'm going to say is, because everyone else liked this, including my son, he said, "Oh, Dad, I'd really like one of those." I said, "Well, you can have one if you make it yourself." So what's going to follow is a video of him making his pen. And here it is. Here is the Saturn. It's a bolt action, but with a different changed end that looks a little bit like the pod that came back down to Earth from space with the astronauts in it. It's a lovely mechanism. It feels really nice and solid. It's a very heavy pen kit. It's got a large section up here, and as you'll see, Tom has chosen to put on one of our Gothic rings. The rings on here are compatible with the Airs kit, so you can change these rings. These are optional extras. It comes with a plain ring, but he's changed his and put a Gothic style ring on there. So you're going to see him make it. I'm going to go and take some photos of the finished product, which we'll put up at the end of the video, and then I've got to give the pen to him, as I said I would. It's his pen. So, as usual, everyone else is right and I'm wrong. I'm used to that. I hope you enjoy the video. So I hope that's been useful. I'm going to take a still, and then Tom's going to get to have his pen. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, bye bye for now.